Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to charge 1.2 volt battery from your mobile charger. See, this is 1.2 volt battery. We can see this battery contains in mouse, trimmer, keyboard and remote control and so on. So when this battery charge finished, then we have to purchase a new one. But don't worry, if you buy a rechargeable battery, then you can recharge it at your home. So let's see how to charge it from your mobile charger. Let's have some calculations. The You can see the battery capacity is 900 milliampere hour. So what will be the charging current? It depends on the capacity of a battery. So 10% to 2% charging current, it is the best use. So 10% on its capacity. Suppose its capacity 900 milliampere hour. So 10% charging current. So it will be 90 milliampere hour. And for 20%, for 20%, for 20%, it will be 180 milliampere hour. So it is the best use to select the charging current. Now we know the Ohm's law. V is to IR, resistance R, V source volt minus V load volt divided I. So here we are going to select the resistance. So here source volt is 5 and our battery voltage 1.2. So if I want to 20% current, charging current, it will be 180 milliampere. And will not get actually 180 milliampere because of core loss. The resistance is 21 ohm. See the calculation for 180 milliampere. Resistance will be 21 ohm. This 21 ohm resistor will drop 3.8 voltage, but will not get this 180 milliampere because of core loss. But I have got 18 ohm resistance. I have not any 21 ohm resistance. So what will be the calculation for 18 ohm resistance? Charging ampere will be 211 milliampere. But for core loss, it will be 180 to 190 milliampere charging current. So let's have some practical. We need a battery holder and resistance. This is 18 ohm resistance, 2 watt, and this is the power supply 5 volt. Let's check the ampere, how much ampere it is drawing. Resistor I have already soldered with a cable. So from our calculation we have seen that ampere should be 211 ampere, but for core loss we will get 180 to 90 ampere. So we are watching that ampere 180, as I said, 180 milliampere. And don't think about it over voltage. It voltage will not cross 1.5 volt. I mean this will be also over voltage protection. Now let's check the voltage of the battery. Is it increasing or not? Uh, I'm taking the probe. Let's see. 1.37. Yes, battery voltage is rising. 1.37. Now we'll go for watt calorie because it will be overheating, which will cause to damage earlier. So watt calculation P equals to V square divided R. The 3.8 volt. This is the voltage, dropping voltage, and resistance 18 ohm. So 3.8 divided 18 ohm. Our watt calculation is 0.8 watt. So for safety purpose, we will take 2 watt from getting overheat. This is the safety purpose. So viewers, in this way you can make 1.2 volt battery charger. If you like this video, please like.